People are skeptical when they hear that they can change their metabolism to burn fat instead of carbs for fuel. But that's exactly what the keto diet promises. It's a new weight loss trend that's been gaining popularity in recent years. You've probably heard of it. The keto diet was initially developed to treat seizures in epileptic patients. Since the 1920s, the diet has been used successfully to treat epilepsy. The keto diet can help both children and adults with difficult to control epilepsy. Stay tuned to parshealthhtv to get more information about the keto diet. How many carbohydrates can you eat on keto? You may already be aware that the keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb eating plan, but how many carbs are allowed? To stay in ketosis, your total carb intake should be limited to 20 to 50 grams per day when following the keto diet. This is, however, for a standard therapeutic ketogenic diet. Your carbohydrate intake will almost certainly be higher if you're an athlete. Number 6. Keto diet origin. Its roots can be traced back to the 1920s when it was used to treat severe childhood epilepsy. Researchers discovered that the production of ketones, which this diet encourages through fat metabolism, can influence neurotransmitter activity. This could mean fewer seizures for children with epilepsy. In fact, one study found that a keto diet reduced seizures by 30 to 40% in children compared to a non-keto diet group. The dietary lifestyle is still used for this purpose today. New research is connecting it to relief for patients suffering from other neurological problems such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Number 5. Helping with cancer treatment. With chemotherapy, it might aid in the treatment of cancer. This one is extremely intriguing. Some researchers think that because the keto diet is low in carbs and sugars and hinders the body's natural glucose metabolism, it also aids in depriving cancer cells of the glucose they need for fermentation. According to a 2019 study, the ketogenic diet is safe for people with advanced cancer. There is evidence that it may even help stabilize the condition and, in rare cases, result in partial remission. Another study that followed individuals with malignant brain cancer who were on the ketogenic diet discovered that restricting calories from glucose can stop tumors from growing further. There is still work to be done in this area, but so far, the results are pretty exciting. Number 4. Lowering cholesterol levels. Your cholesterol levels may benefit from a really high-fat diet. Although the body of study in this area is undoubtedly small, current research suggests that saturated fat may not be as harmful to our hearts as previously thought. This news will likely come as a relief to anyone following a ketogenic diet. According to a recent study, a ketogenic diet can really raise a person's HDL, LDL, and triglyceride levels. According to another study, an extremely low-carb eating plan, such as the keto diet, can enhance a person's lipoprotein profile without causing weight loss. Another study that especially targeted healthy weight males discovered that the ketogenic diet does not raise the risk of cardiovascular disease. Let's hope that additional research will confirm these conclusions in the future. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 3 on our list. Number 3. It causes bad breath. Now for the less than fun information. Due to the acetone byproduct of fat metabolism, the ketogenic diet, and any very low-carb diets, for that matter, will probably leave you with very awful breath. Your perspiration and urine begin to smell as well. Sorry if this is too personal. Although this unpleasant side effect is far from ideal, some people on the keto diet claim that it does go away after your body has been in ketosis for a sufficient amount of time. Others claim that increasing your carbohydrate consumption is the sole effective cure. In either case, just to be careful, always have breath mints on hand. Number 2. About bolts and nuts. Whole grains, starchy veggies, beans, and legumes like yams and potatoes, high carbohydrate fruits including apples, oranges, and bananas, alcohol, sugar, and low-fat dairy products are among the foods to avoid following a ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet does encourage the use of non-starchy vegetables, eggs, salmon, avocados, coconut, and olive oils, as well as meat from a variety of sources. Number 1. Effects on muscles. This one could sound illogical, yet research shows that low carb counts calories really advance muscle loss. Eating sugars prompts the body's insulin creation, which then prompts muscle development. So when we cut out practically all carbs completely, our muscle glycogen stores are finished effectively, and we end up with almost no energy passed on in the tank to push harder in strength instructional courses. Nonetheless, the keto diet could assist you with starting yoga and significant distance running. Increasingly more perseverance competitors are dumping carbo stacking for a high-fat eating routine, and it functions admirably for yogis dealing with their useful adaptability. The good. Past weight loss. The ketogenic diet has been in need for conditions like epilepsy since the 1920s and corpulence therapy since the 1960s. The keto diet truly modifies energy digestion in the cerebrum, so that is the reason it's recognized to balance out the elements of the neurons presented to seizures in individuals with epilepsy, says Junella Jaw, DO, who utilizes the keto diet as a method for treating youngsters with unmanageable epilepsy in her integrative clinical practice. It assists youngsters with seizures to decline their episodes and abbreviate their recuperation time from seizures. The keto diet has likewise been embroiled for restorative use in persistent illnesses like coronary illness, neurological circumstances, polycystic ovary conditions, and malignant growth. There is additionally restricted proof that insulin responsiveness enhances the eating routine, which looks good for overseeing diabetes. The bad. The disadvantage of a ketogenic diet is that there is no deeply grounded proof to help its maintainability on a drawn-out premise, and further very much controlled preliminaries are suggested, says Dr. Ju. Late exploration distributed by The Lancet found that confining carbs and supplanting them with creature-based protein and fat could prompt a more limited life expectancy. For youngsters with epilepsy, the greatest test of the keto diet is consistency, says Dr. Jawline. We battle with consistency with children and afterward guardians because, obviously, guardians should be ready as well. What's more, obstruction can be a huge incidental effect that hinders consistency. What's your opinion about the keto diet? You can share it with us in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Wishing you a great day.